To import Trust Wallet on Metamask, follow these steps. First, you need to understand what Trust Wallet and Metamask are. Trust Wallet is a mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies, while Metamask is a browser extension and mobile app that enables users to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. The first step is to download and install Metamask on your browser or mobile device. Once installed, click on the Metamask icon and select Import Wallet. You will be given the option to import using a seed phrase, private key, or JSON file. To import your Trust Wallet, you will need to use the seed phrase. A seed phrase is a list of words that are used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. To find your seed phrase on Trust Wallet, open the app, go to the Settings menu, and select Wallet. Then, select the three dots next to your wallet name and choose Show Recovery Phrase. Write down the seed phrase and keep it in a safe place. Do not share it with anyone, as it can be used to access your wallet. Now, go back to Metamask and select Import Wallet. Choose the option to import using a seed phrase and enter the words from your Trust Wallet seed phrase. Make sure to enter the words in the correct order, as this is crucial for importing your wallet correctly. Once you have entered the seed phrase, create a new password for your Metamask wallet. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. After creating a password, click Import and your Trust Wallet will be imported into Metamask. You can now view your account balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and interact with various decentralized applications. It is essential to keep your seed phrase and password safe, as losing access to them can result in losing control of your wallet. Always use a secure and reputable wallet, and never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone. By following these steps, you can successfully import your Trust Wallet on Metamask and start exploring the world of decentralized finance.